Hey learners, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to learn computer network multiple choice question and answer. Question number 101 to 200 and question number 1 to 100 हमने डिस्कस किया था कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पार्ट 1 में, जिसका लिंक आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड वीडियो के लास्ट में आपको वीडियो प्रोवाइड हो जाएगी गाइस. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन. इन दिस योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 101 इज multiple object can be sent over a TCP connection between client and server in option A persistent HTTP, option B non-persistent HTTP, option C both A and B, option D none of the mentioned. Persistent HTTP. Okay, so multiple object can be sent over a TCP connection between client and server in persistent HTTP. Okay, next question. HTTP is blank space protocol. Option A application layer, option B transport layer, option C network layer, option D none of the mentioned. Right answer is option A. HTTP is a protocol of application layer. Okay, HTTP is application layer protocol. Next question. In the network, HTTP resources are located by option A uniform resource identifier. Next question. HTTP clients request by establishing a blank space connection to a particular port on the server. Option A user datagram protocol, option B transmission control protocol, option C broader gateway protocol, option D none of the mentioned. Right answer is option B transmission control protocol. HTTP client request by establishing a transmission control protocol connection to a particular port on the server. Next question. In HTTP pipelining, multiple HTTP requests are sent on a single TCP connection without waiting for the corresponding responses. Option A is right here. Okay, next question. FTP server listen for connection on port number option B 21. Okay, so right answer here is option B port number. Question. In FTP protocol, client contacts server using blank space as the transport protocol. Option A transmission control protocol TCP. In FTP protocol, client contacts server using TCP as the transport protocol. Next question. In which mode FTP the client initiates both the control and data connections? Option B passive mode. Okay. In passive mode FTP the client initiates both the control and data connections. Next question. The file transfer protocol is built on option C client server architecture. Okay. Next question. In file transfer protocol data transfer can be done in option D means all of the mentioned. It's included stream mode, block mode and compressed mode. In file transfer protocol, data transfer can be done in stream mode, maybe block mode, maybe compressed mode. Okay, so right answer here is option D. Next question. Ethernet frame consists of option A MAC address. Okay, so Ethernet frame consists of MAC address, not to be IP address. Okay. Next question. Which is a star frame delimiter SFD in Ethernet frame? So right answer is option B. 10101011 is a star frame delimiter SFD in Ethernet frame. Next question. MAC addresses of option D 48 bits. MAC address consists of 48 bits. Next question. Ethernet in metropolitan area network means MAN can be used as option D all of the mentioned means included. Ethernet in MAN can be used as pure Ethernet, can be used as Ethernet over SDH and can be used as Ethernet over MPLS. Okay. Next question. A point-to-point protocol over Ethernet is a network protocol for option A encapsulating BBB frames inside Ethernet frames. Okay. Next question. High-speed Ethernet works on optical fiber option C. Next question. The maximum size of payload filled in Ethernet frame is 1500 bytes. Option D. Next question. What is interframe gap? Answer is A. Ideal time between frames. Okay. Internet frame gap is an ideal time between frames. Next question. An Ethernet frame that is less than the IEEE 802.3 minimum length of 64 octets is called run frame. Option B means it's a definition of run frame. What is an Ethernet frame that is less than the IEEE 802.3 minimum length of 64 octets is called run frame. Next question. Which of this is not a constituent of residential telephone line? Right answer is option C. A low speed downstream channel. Okay. A low speed downstream channel is not a constituent of residential telephone line. Next question. Because the third part is ordinary two-way telephone channel. Next question. In DSL, telco provides these services. So right answer is option C, means in DSL, telco provides wired phone access and ISP services. Okay. So right answer is option C. Because the same company which provides phone connection is also its ISP in DSL. Next question. The function of DSLAM is option A. Convert analog signal into digital signals. Okay. Because the DSLM located in telco's central office does this function. Next question. The following term is not associated with DSL. Right answer is option D. CMTS term is not associated with DSL because cable modem termination system is used in cable internet access. Next question. HFC contains option C. Both of mentioned means HFC contains fiber cable and coaxial cable both. Next question. Choose the statement which is not applicable for cable internet access. So right answer here is option D. Analog signal is converted to digital signal is DSLM. Okay, is not applicable for cable internet access. Okay guys, so here option D statement is analog signal is converted to digital signal in DSLM is a statement is not applicable for cable internet access. And option ABC means option A is it's a shared broadcast medium is applicable for cable internet access. And option B, it includes HFCs is also applicable for cable internet access. And cable modem connects home PCs to Ethernet port is also applicable for cable internet access. So right answer here is option D. हमें यहाँ पर चूज करना है वो पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट जो एप्लीकेबल नहीं है केबल इंटरनेट एक्सेस के लिए. सो वो स्टेटमेंट है ऑप्शन डी. एनालॉग सिग्नल इज कन्वर्टेड टू डिजिटल सिग्नल इन DSLAM. ओके, because in cable access analog signal is converted to digital signal by CMTS. Okay, next question. Among the optical distribution architectures that is essentially switched Ethernet is option A, AON. Okay, among the optical distribution architecture that is essentially switched Ethernet is AON, because active optics networks are essentially switched Ethernets. Next question. Starband provides satellite access. Option D. Next question. Home access is provided by all of the mentioned means home access is provided by DSL, provided by FTTP and provided by cable. So here right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Okay, next question. ONT is connected to splitting using option C, optical cable. ONT is connected to splitting using optical cable. Next question. The sharing of a medium and its link by two or more devices is called multiplexing. Option B. Next question. Multiplexing is used in circuit switching. Option B is very important question guys. Switching आपके syllabus में है, second unit में ही switching के जितने types हैं वो सब, and multiplexing is used in circuit switching, पैकेट स्विचिंग, मल्टी स्विचिंग, डेटा स्विचिंग, ये सब आप डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में. मींस दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. राइट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन बी, मल्टीप्लेक्सिंग इज यूज्ड इन सर्किट स्विचिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which multiplexing techniques transmits digital signals? Right answer here is option B, TDM. TDM multiplexing techniques transmits digital signals. Okay, FDM and WDM are used in analog signals. So right answer here is TDM. Okay, next question, if there are n signal sources of same data rate, then TDM links has option A means n slots. Okay, each slot is dedicated to one of the sources. Next question, if link transmits 4000 frames per second and each slot has 8 bits, the transmission rate of circuit this TDM is option A, 32 kbps, because transmission rate is equal to frame rate multiplied by number of bits in a slot. Okay, so किस तरह हमने इसको कैलकुलेट किया है गाइज? with the help of frame rate means 4000 and multiply by 8 bits. So 4000 multiplied by 8 bits is equal to 32 kbps. Okay, next question, the state when dedicated signals are idle are called option C, silent period. Okay, next question, multiplexing can provide efficiency and privacy. So right answer here is option D, both A and B. Next question, in TDM the transmission rate of the multiplexing path is usually blank space, the sum of the transmission rates of the signal sources. Right answer is option A, greater than. In TDM the transmission rate of the multiplexed path is usually greater than the sum of the transmission rates of the signal sources. Next question, in TDM slots are further divided into frames. Option B is right answer here. Next question, multiplexing techniques that shift each signal to a different carrier frequency is FDM. Okay, FDM stands for frequency division multiplexing. Next one, physical or logical arrangement of network is topology. Option A. Next question, in the topology there is a central controller or hub. So guys, central controller और hub किस टाइप की टोपोलॉजी में होता है? स्टार टोपोलॉजी में. Okay, in the star topology is a single one central control or hub and other all computers are joined with this hub. Okay, so right answer here is option A. Next question, this topology requires multi-point connection. Right answer is option D, bus. Bus topology requires multi-point connections. Next question, data communication systems spanning states, countries or the whole world is WAN. WAN stands for wide area network. Next question, wide area network covers the whole of the world network. Next question, data communication system within a building or campus is option A, LAN. LAN stands for local area network. Next question, expand WAN. WAN stands for wide area network. Option B is right here. Next question, a local telephone network is an example of a packet switching. Okay, so right answer here is option A, packet switching. Next question, most packet switches use this principle. Option B, store and forward. Okay, most of the packet switches use the principle store and forward respectively, because the packet switches will not transmit the first bit to outbound link until it receives the entire packet of message. Next question, if there are n routers from source to destination, total end-to-end delay in sending packet P means L followed by number of bits in the packet R followed by transmission rate. Okay, according to this, right answer is option B. N multiply L divided by R. Okay. Here, L means number of bits in the packet and R means transmission rate. Okay. Next question. Methods to move data through a network of links and switches. Option D, both A and B means methods move data through a network of links and switches are packet switching and circuit switching. So right answer here is option D. Next question. The resources needed for communication between AND systems are reserved for the duration of session between AND system in option B, circuit switching. Okay, next question. As the resources are reserved between two communicating AND system in circuit switching, that is achieved during guaranteed constant rate. This is achieved with guaranteed constant rate. Option B is right here. Next question. What is internet? Answer here option B. Internet is a vast collection of different networks. Okay. So right answer here is option B. Next question. To join the internet, the computer has to be connected to a option C, Internet Service Provider, ISP. Next one. Internet access by transmitting digital data over the wires of a local telephone network is provided by option B, digital subscriber line. Next question. ISP exchange internet traffic between their networks by Internet Exchange Point, IEP. Next question. Which one of the following protocol is not used in internet? So right answer is none of the mentioned, because HTTP is used in internet, DHCP is used in internet, and DNS also is used in internet. So right answer here is option D, none of the mentioned. Right answer, IPv6 address has a size of 128 bits. Option C is right here. Next question. Internet works on option A, packet switching. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is not an application layer protocol used in internet? Right answer is option C, RRP, Resource Reservation Protocol, is not an application layer protocol used in internet. Next question. Which protocol assigns IP address to the client connected in the internet? Right answer is option A, DHCP assigns IP address to the client connected in the internet. Next question. Which one of the following is not used in media access control? Right answer is option D, none of the mentioned, because Ethernet is used in media access control, means MAC, and digital subscriber line is also used in media access control, and fiber distributed data interface is used in media access control. So right answer here is option D, none of the mentioned. Next question. In cryptography, what is cipher? Right answer is option A. In cryptography, this is very important concept in computer network. In cryptography, cipher is an algorithm for performing encryption and decryption. Okay. Next question. In asymmetric key cryptography, the private key is kept by option B, receiver, not to be sender. Okay. Private key is kept by receiver. Next question. Which one of the following algorithm is not used in asymmetric key cryptography? Right answer is option C, electronic code book algorithm is not used in asymmetric key cryptography. Next question. In cryptography, the order of the letters in a message is rearranged by transpositional ciphers. Okay. Next question. What is data encryption standards? DES. Right answer is option A, block cipher. Block cipher is data encryption standards. Next question. Cryptanalysis is used in to find some insecurity in a cryptographic scheme. Option A. Next question. Which one of the following is a cryptographic protocol used to secure HTTP connection? Right answer is option B, transport layer security. TSL is a cryptographic protocol used to secure HTTP connections. Next question. Voice privacy in GSM cellular telephone protocol is provided by A5 divided by 2 cipher. Option A is right here. Next question. EL-Gamal encryption system is asymmetric key encryption algorithm. Option B is right here. Next question. Cryptographic hash function takes an arbitrary block of data and returns. Option A, fixed size bit string. Okay. Cryptographic hash function takes an arbitrary block of data and returns fixed size bit string. Next question. The attackers a network of compromised devices known as option B, botnet. Next question. Which of the following is a form of DOS attack? Right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Means vulnerability attack is a form of DOS attack. DOS attacks means denial of service attack. DOS stands for denial of service attack. Option B है here, bandwidth flooding is a type of DOS attack. Connection flooding is a type of DOS attack. So here right answer is option D, all of the mentioned are included in a DOS attack. Next question. The DOS attacks in which the attacker establishes a large number of half-open or fully open TCP connections at the target host. Right answer is option C, connection flooding. Okay. The DOS attacks is which the attacker establishes a large number of half-open or fully open TCP connections at the target host, connection flooding. Next question. The DOS attacks in which the attacker sends deluge of packets to the targeted host. So right answer is option B, bandwidth flooding. Okay, next question. Packet sniffers involve passive receiver. Option B, because they do not inject packets into the channel. Next question. Sniffers can be deployed in wired environment, right? Wi-Fi, right? Ethernet LAN, right? And right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. Firewalls are often configured to block UDP traffic. Option A. Next question. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocols, provides blank space to the client. So right answer is option A, IP address. DHCP provides IP address to the clients. Next question. DHCP is used for IPv6 as well as IPv4. So right answer here is option C, both A and B. Next question. The DHCP server, option D is right answer here is all of the mentioned. Means the DHCP server maintains a database of available IP address, and the DHCP server maintains the information about client configuration parameters, and DHCP server grants a IP addresses when receives a request from a client. Right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. IP assigned for a client by DHCP server is for a limited period. Option A. Next question. DHCP uses UDP port blank space for sending data to the server. Right answer is option B, 67. This is very important question. DHCP uses UDP port 67, okay, for sending data to the server. Next question. The DHCP server can provide the dynamic allocation, automatic allocation, and static allocation, means all of the mentioned of the IP address. Right answer here is option D. Next question. DHCP clients and servers on the same subnet communicate via option A, UDP broadcast. Next question. After obtaining the IP address to prevent the IP conflict, the client may use address resolution protocol. Option C. Next question. What is DHCP snooping? So right answer is option A. DHCP snooping is a technique applied to ensure the security of an existing DHCP infrastructures. Next question. If DHCP snooping is conferred on a LAN switch, then clients having a specific MAC address and IP address both can access the network. Right answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. Real-time transport protocols means RTP is mostly used in all of the mentioned means RTP is mostly used in streaming media as well as video teleconference as well as television services. Next question. RTP is used to carry the media stream. Option A. Next question. RTP provides the facility of jitter compensation. Okay, so right answer here is option A. RTP provides the facility of jitter compensation. Next question. Which protocol provides the synchronization between media streams? Right answer is option B. RTCP. RTCP protocols provides the synchronization between media streams. Next question. An RTP session is established for each media stream. Okay, one by one each media streams. Next question. RTP can use unprivileged UDP ports and stream control transmission protocol and datagram congestion control protocol. So right answer here is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. Which one of the following multimedia formats cannot be supported by RTP? Right answer is option D, none of the mentioned, because MPEG4 and MJPEG and MPEG, they all are supported format via RTP. Okay. Next question. An RTP header has a minimum size of 12 bytes. Option A. Next question. Which one of the following is not correct? So right answer is option D. None of the mention is not correct because option A and B, they both are correct. RTCP provides canonical endpoint identifiers to all session participants is correct one. And RTCP reports are expected to be sent by all participants is also correct. Next question. Which protocol defines a profile of RTP that provides cryptographic services for the transfer of payload data? Right answer is option A, SRTP. SRTP protocol defines a profile of RTP that provides cryptographic services for the transfer of payload data. Next question. Ping can measure round trip time. Ping can report packet loss. Ping can report latency. Okay, so right answer here is option D, all of the mentioned. Okay guys, now let's wind up the lecture. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination.